Welcome to my channel Explore the World. Welcome to the dazzling city of Dubai, where modern skyscrapers pierce the sky, and ancient traditions blend seamlessly with cutting-edge innovation. This cosmopolitan oasis in the heart of the Arabian Desert beckons with its iconic landmarks like the soaring Burj Khalifa and the man-made marvel of Palm Jumeirah. Immerse yourself in the opulence of the Dubai Mall, explore the historic charm of Fahidi, or unwind on the pristine shores of Jumeirah Beach. From adrenaline-pumping desert safaris to the serene Dubai Miracle Garden, this city is a tapestry of luxury, adventure, and cultural richness. Embark on a journey where the extraordinary is the norm in the captivating tapestry of Dubai. Dubai, a vibrant and futuristic city in the United Arab Emirates, is renowned for its opulence, modern architecture, and diverse cultural experiences. Here are some of the most visited best places to visit in Dubai. Burj Khalifa. The iconic Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world and offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks. Visitors can enjoy a multimedia presentation on the history of Dubai and the construction of the Burj Khalifa during their visit. The Dubai Mall. Adjacent to the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall is one of the largest shopping and entertainment destinations globally, featuring over 1,200 shops, numerous restaurants, and attractions like the Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. Palm Jumeirah, a man-made archipelago in the shape of a palm tree. Palm Jumeirah is a luxurious resort area with upscale hotels, pristine beaches, and an array of fine dining options. Dubai Marina, a picturesque canal city, Dubai Marina is surrounded by skyscrapers and offers a range of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Visitors can also take a boat tour or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the promenade. Dubai Creek and Al Fahidi Historic District. Explore the historical heart of Dubai in the Al Fahidi Historic District, where you can discover traditional wind tower architecture, museums, art galleries, and take a nub ride along Dubai Creek. Jumeirah Beach. Relax on the pristine sands of Jumeirah Beach, known for its clear blue waters and the iconic Burj Al Arab in the background. The beach also offers various water sports and activities. Dubai Opera, a stunning architectural marvel, Dubai Opera hosts a variety of performances, including opera, ballet, and concerts. Its design is inspired by traditional dhow boats, blending modernity with cultural influences. The Dubai Fountain. Adjacent to the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, the Dubai Fountain is a captivating water and light show set on the artificial lake at the base of the Burj Khalifa. The synchronized performances occur daily in the evenings. Dubai Miracle Garden, a breathtaking floral paradise. The Dubai Miracle Garden features an incredible array of flowers and plants, including unique displays and structures that change with the seasons. Desert Safari. Experience the Arabian Desert with a thrilling desert safari, where you can enjoy dune bashing, camel rides, and traditional Bedouin-style entertainment under the stars. Mall of the Emirates. Known for more than just its extensive shopping options, Mall of the Emirates is home to Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort where visitors can experience snow in the midst of the desert. Dubai Frame. Offering a unique perspective of the city's past, present, and future, the Dubai Frame is an architectural landmark that provides panoramic views of both old and new Dubai. Atlantis. The Palm. Located on the apex of the Palm Jumeirah, Atlantis is a luxury resort featuring an underwater aquarium, aquaventure water park, and a variety of fine dining options. Ski Dubai. Inside the Mall of the Emirates, Ski Dubai is an indoor ski resort with real snow, allowing visitors to experience winter sports and activities in a climate-controlled environment. Dubai Parks and Resorts. This entertainment complex includes several theme parks such as Motion Gate Dubai, Bollywood Parks Dubai, and Legoland Dubai, offering a fun-filled experience for families and thrill-seekers alike. Dubai Autodrome. Motorsport enthusiasts can visit the Dubai Autodrome, a state-of-the-art circuit that hosts various racing events and provides opportunities for visitors to experience high-speed thrills. Dubai Marina Walk, a waterfront promenade surrounded by restaurants and cafes. Dubai Marina Walk is an ideal place for a leisurely stroll with stunning views of the marina and its luxurious yachts. Blue Waters Island, home to the Eye Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. Blue Waters Island is a vibrant destination with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. City Walk, a contemporary urban lifestyle destination. City Walk combines high-end shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences with a European-style pedestrian-friendly atmosphere. Dubai Gold Souk, for those interested in shopping for gold and other precious metals. The Dubai Gold Souk in Dara is a traditional market where you can find a dazzling array of jewelry and gemstones. Dubai's dynamic and ever-evolving landscape ensures there is something for everyone, whether you're seeking luxury, adventure, cultural exploration, or a mix of it all. The city's commitment to innovation and hospitality makes it a must-visit destination for global travelers.